Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest hardware causes because most faults hide there. First, check cables, power and modem/router status lights. Make sure Ethernet is seated or Wi-Fi enabled. Next, reboot devices in order. Modem, router, then PC. Wait about 1 minute between each restart to let addresses clear. Once done, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings Network and Internet. It quickly applies common fixes and points you to the next command line or driver steps if the problem persists. Now you move to the network stack and drivers to repair corrupted configurations. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to reclaim an IP. Follow with ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale DNS entries. Next, execute netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to restore socket and IP defaults, then reboot. Make sure to inspect Device Manager. Update the network adapter driver or roll back a recent update and disable it. To finish, perform a full network reset in Windows, which reinstalls adapters and clears custom configs. Go to Settings Network and Internet Status Network Reset, then reboot. If the issue remains, isolate the problem by testing another device on the same network or connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot. That shows whether the ISP or your machine is at fault. If you escalate to your ISP, give them modem LED behavior, error messages, and the steps you've taken. That information speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.